Dear friends and family, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the union of Travis Chase Williams and Alexa Shea Dillard. In the years Lexie and Chase have been together, they have grown, matured, and bloomed, turning them into the couple you see before you. Now they are ready to spend the rest of their lives together as husband and wife. Who gives this woman to be wed to this man?
Her mother and I.
Thank you. A true marriage begins well before the wedding day, and efforts of marriage continue well beyond the ceremony. Marry your best friend. I don't say this lightly. Really, truly, find the strongest, happiest friend in the person that you fall in love with. Someone who speaks highly of you, that makes you, give you those laughs, that give you the belly aches, and the laughter that gives you the snorting of the nose. The embarrassing, earnest, healing kinds of last, which important. Life is too short to not have someone that will let you act a fool with them. Make sure they are somebody who lets you cry too. Despair will come. Find someone you want to be there when to go through those times. Most importantly, marry the one who gives you passion, love, madness combined and course through you. A love that'll never dilute, even when the waters get deep and dark. A brief moment in time, a stroke of a pen, is all that is required to create a legal bond, but it takes a lifetime of love, commitment, compromise to make a marriage durable and everlasting. Today, do the two of you declare your commitment to each other before your family and friends?
We do.
In lieu of letters or pouring of sand, our couple has decided to begin their lives by writing letters. These letters are a symbol of their future in their lives and are infused with the same hopefulness of its beginning, which they will share with you today. Lexie and Chase, please recognize the box for your letters over to our left or your right. This box is going to be filled with many letters. These letters represent the love, hope, and imagination that you represent for the future. There are 4 more letters that need to be placed in this box. 2 of the letters are from you on your 50th wedding anniversary for you to open and read to one another. The other 2 are from your parents, and they're to be read on the day of their choosing, on the anniversary of their choice. And on this love that they have for y'all will grow a bit each day as your relationship changes today. These letters are an expression of love and hope for your future. God bless the works that are here in love and hope, and bless the coming time when they will be read to each other. Friends and family, Chase and Lexie, let us prepare to hear God's word on love and how it should appear. 1 Corinthians 13, 4-7 reads, "Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. It does not demand its own way. It is not irritable and keeps no record of being wronged. It does not rejoice about injustice, but rejoices when truth wins out. Love never gives up, never loses faith, and always is hopeful, endures through every circumstance." God bless this union as Chase and Lexie prepare to express their vows. Each of these beautiful souls have prepared their own vows. Chase, if you'll read your vows to Lexie.
Lexie, standing in front of you now, I am overcome with reverential thankfulness and joy. Today, I'm marrying the wittiest person in Walker High School's class of 2016. This is a huge honor, and one that you would uphold admirably each day with countless jokes and quips. When you're not being the life of the party, you're cracking me up with random lyrics from a song or quotes from a video you saw anywhere from 3 days to 10 years ago. For the past 7 years, and even before, you've imbued my life with an immense amount of laughter and happiness. I adore how easy it is to live life with you, whether we're out with others or spending the quiet moments of our day with one another. To have found a love as real and as true as ours is all one could hope for. The foundation of friendship and understanding that we have cultivated through our time together is the perfect platform for our marriage to flourish from. I have dearly cherished getting to watch you grow into the countless versions of yourself from the time you were a Twilight-loving teenager to you now as a Twilight-loving adult. I have found that I love each iteration more than the last because each one makes who you truly are become that much clearer to me. Watching you change and grow inspires me to challenge myself and my understanding of what it means to live each day. And just as I see you and understand you, I feel seen and understood by you. You are my safe place to return to when life gets hard to bear. You allow me to be my true self without any pretenses. To have found a soulmate with whom I can spend a lazy afternoon snuggled up watching Jersey Shore or another from our rotating lineup of TLC shows is a dream come true. I love our playfulness together because it signifies to me the comfort and care we truly harbor for one another. Amidst all of life's hardships, you never fail to bring a sense of lightness to the world. I'm making the easiest decision of my life today in front of you and all of our loved ones by choosing you today and always. I promise to always nurture and care for our love so that it continues to strengthen until the end. I will always provide the patience and compassion necessary for that love to last in a life so full of variables and unknowns. I swear to support you and stand by your side in each stage of life and under all circumstances. I promise to help you achieve all of your dreams and overcome any endeavors that may arise. I vow to refill your water each night and to always warm your frigid feet. I vow to be yours to the end of this life and then even after. Because one lifetime with you just won't be enough. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. I'm so honored and excited to be your husband. I love you, Lexie.
All right, Lexie, if you'll please read your vows to Chase.
I will. I'll try. I need a moment. I need a breath after that one. Chase Williams. 500 words is not enough when trying to condense 2,613 days of my love for you into vows. For those of you trying to do the math in your head, that is over 7 years. I found it hard to put my love for you into words, not because there was not enough to write down, but because there are so many wonderful things that I could say about your love for me and our relationship together. You have been in my life for over 10 years, first as a friend and now as my life partner. I never would have imagined that the smiley, curly-headed boy that sat in front of me in our high school government class would one day stand in front of me as my husband. Or that the scared boy who I offered chewing gum to in the plane seat next to me on the flight to Washington, D.C. in 8th grade would be my soulmate. Even before we dated, I knew you were a special person in my life because having you around always made things better. People genuinely love spending time with you because of how caring and kind you are to everyone. At the time, I felt lucky just to have you in my life as a friend. Now I feel even luckier to have you as my soon-to-be husband. Since the beginning of our relationship, you have always put my wants and needs first. You are patient with me when I am impatient. You listen when I need you to without complaint. And you always make me feel beautiful even when I don't believe it myself. You have never faltered in your love and dedication to me, no matter what bump in the road we faced. Most importantly, you are always more than willing to walk downstairs and bring me a glass of water in bed at night when I forget. For all of those things and more, I'm truly appreciative of you. As we become husband and wife, I vow that my love for you will continue to grow with each passing year. I vow that I will always be here for you when you need me, even if it is just to listen about how your day went. I vow that I will always have your best interests at heart and that I will support you in reaching your dreams and goals, no matter what they are. I vow to seek new adventures together, whether that is trying a new restaurant down the road or traveling the world. I vow to always make you laugh, even if you don't feel like it that day. And I vow to always choose our relationship in you, no matter what hardship we face. Chase, you bring me so much happiness and light to my life. I know that being with you has made me into a better person and that my life would not be as amazing as it is right now without you in it. I can stand before all of our closest friends and family today and proudly say that I am the luckiest girl in the world to be marrying you, my best friend. I love you. I'll give this back to you.
As these vows have been exchanged, Chase and Lexie will exchange rings and a symbol of their marriage to one to the other. If I could get the rings, please. The rings are a universal symbol of marriage. They mean many things. From now on, you will wear these rings and they will remind you. They will remind you of the endless circle that, like love, there is no end and no beginning. They will remind you daily that you are married. Sometimes they will remind you of the commitment that you have made for better or worse. But may they always remind you that there is one person, the world has one other person that has pledged to love you forever through thick and through thin and with all that they have. Chase, if you'll repeat after me. Lexie, I give you this ring with all that I am.
Lexie, I give you this ring with all that I am.
And all that I will ever be.
And all that I will ever be.
Wear it and know that I love you.
Wear it and know that I love you.
Lexie, please repeat after me. Chase, I give you this ring with all that I am.
Chase, I give you this ring with all that I am.
And all that I will ever be.
And all that I will ever be.
Wear it and know that I love you.
Wear it and know that I love you.
And now, with the exchanging of vows and rings and the power vested by our God through the universal church, I pronounce you husband and wife. Chase, you may kiss your bride. Family and friends, may I present to you for the first time. You want to go ahead and fix her? Family and friends, may I present to you for the first time the husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Chase Williams. Thank you.